everyone, my name is Ling Minque. Well, for today's video, we're going to be talking about another really important concept in math, which is about multiplication. So I think all of you guys know about these ways of calculating in math, right? Well, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, which is what we're learning today, and division. So now we're going to be talking about multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is basically about how many times a number is added by itself. So let's look at this problem here. So you guys could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubes, 6 parts of cubes, and each one like this is 2 cubes. Okay? So now you guys could count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times of these cubes grouped together. So we basically, if we are told to add each of them up to know the total, and we will add it as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is the 6th one. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. And that is basically about addition. So in mathematics, there's a way to simplify this, which is by using multiplications. Well, as you read this, you could read it as 2 plus 2 plus 2, or you could read it as 6 times of 2. Which comes to our multiplication, which here is 6 times 2. So now, what is multiplication again? It's basically how many times a thing or like a number is being added. So there's lots of rules and multiplications that I think you guys should know. First is the orders of factor. Well, now let's have some examples. So look over here, okay? We could have math like 4 times 3 equals 12. So now, what if we switch the order of it into 3 times 4? So 3 comes here and 4 times comes here. So now, what would it be? It would still be 12. Okay, so let's have one other example. We have 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. Now 5 times 2 is equal to 10 too. So for this, we could understand that no matter what the order of these factors are, they're always resulted into only one result. So even if you have a math problem, like let's say 3 times 2 times 7, okay? So now you guys could change the order of it. If you guys want, you guys could calculate through like this. But if you guys are more familiar with the 2 and the 7 together, then you guys could do the 2 and the 7 together first. So I have 3 times 2 and 7 is 14 and is equal to so now when we have this, you guys could calculate it, which is equals to 42. Yeah, that is correct. So it is 42. So now imagine if we don't calculate it by these first, and we calculate it by these first. So we have 6 times 7, which is also equals to 42. So you guys could see the order of it, doesn't matter. Next is for the rules of multiplying with 0, 1. So now let's have a number. Like we have 8. If we multiply with 0, we would have 0. Because it's basically no times of 8. So there's no 8. So there's no number here. And now if we multiply it with 1, then we would get 8. Because 1 time of 8 is 8. That's really simple, right? And lastly, is a rule in addition that you guys could use a lot in lots of situations. Well, imagine if you have a problem like 2 times 3 plus 4 times 3. You guys could do it in a normal way, which is to multiply these first Or you could use a way that's a lot much more faster, which is to group these two together. You guys will see that they all are multiplied by 3, right? So you will have 2 and 2 plus 4 times 3, which is 6 times 3 and is equal to 18. So really easy, right? So that is all about multiplication that I want to share with you guys. And after this video, I hope you guys have learned something nice. And goodbye. See you in the next video.